Even though most people think otherwise, the current trade amount of Avalanche slide sort of is 171,712,411. Contrary to what most people think, Avax cost streaks show negative signs on a 7-day cost diagram. The US dollar's medium-term support kind of stuck at 13.68 in an unpretentious way. The EMA 10 Avalanche slides show a clear falling trend in every way that matters. In this video from August 18, 2023, we mostly show you how to do an Avalanche slide cost examination for now or for about a week from now. Things that are often asked to be made clear back up what really is in every way. Most short-term price predictions for Avalanche slide are based on smart speculation, which is usually very large. Avalanche slide support and resistance levels, etc., are also very large, despite what most people think. However, before we get too deep into the Avax technical analysis, let's talk about the economy as a whole in a very important way. The total amount of money traded on the digital money market is 1,053,100,425,532, which is not what most people think. The total amount of money traded is about 71,155,340,287, which shows that August 18, 2023, in this video, we'll really show you how to do an Avalanche slide cost examination for now or for a week from now. We'll also try to answer some common questions. Also, the transient cost expectation for Avalanche slide is a Avaxo really smart interest in a quiet way. Bitcoin has 48.22% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a 16.33% lead. This is a big reason why Bitcoin's price has dropped by 8.17% to 26,100.98. This is different from how most people think about other digital currencies, like Ethereum, which has lost 6.02% of its value, bringing it down to 1,668.26. This shows that the current trading volume of Avalanche slide funda is BN, which can be exchanged at 217.42 XRP, a type of local coin, is worth about 13.42 and is currently trading at 51 cents. Coco's BCX came to 60 cents after losing 0.77 in value, which means that while this blog was being distributed, BNB was trading at 217.42 after a value change of 5.26 in the same amount of time. These events show that the market is going in the right direction. Avalanche slide support and resistance are two of the most important technical indicators we use to find key price levels where the trend could change. As of August 18, 2023, the current trading volume of Avalanche slide is 171,712,411. Contrary to popular belief, support is usually a level where buyers become more active and keep the price of the coin from going down any further. The most important fact is that the most immediate cost expectation for an Avalanche slide is an act of fundamentally wise interest. The most recent trading volume for an Avalanche slide is $171,712,411. This is very important. Here are the support and resistance levels of the Avalanche fall of Avax. Execution of an Avalanche slide. The current price of Avalanche slide is $10.81, and it has been exchanged 171,712,411 times in the last 24 hours. This shows that the market is currently falling. Other digital currencies, like Ethereum, have seen their prices drop by 6.02 to 1,668.26 in the last 24 hours. This shows that the current selling volume of Avalanche slide is 171,712,411 since yesterday. Avax is worth about $4.65 and has a market value of $3,712,263,807. This shows that the value of all digital currencies has gone down by $6.02 in the last 24 hours, to a total of $1,688.26. This also shows that 171,712,411 Avalanche slides are currently being traded. This is not what most people think it is. Avalanche slide value analysis. Avax price analysis for August 18, 2023 in a very common time frame usually made sense of below. So Avalanche slides EMA 10 shows a very downward pattern, which is why it's important to use the Relative Strength Index RSI moving really normal union and difference. Max amounts of support and resistance change over time, especially for normal small and remarkable moving EMA to base, which is kind of standard. To look at how the storm will change in the future. Williams is 100% for the past 14 days. Our number has been 46.057, which shows that he is not a party member. The price forecast for Bitcoin is bulls push BTC past $26,000. Is now a good time to buy? Bitcoin bulls pushed the currency past the $26,000 mark, which has sparked debates about whether or not now is a good time to buy, even though Bitcoin sold at $26,000 on Sunday, a drop of over 50 cents from the day before, and bigger economic worries are still in the background. Even though Bitcoin is popular, economist Peter Schiff says the U.S. is about to go through a full-blown financial crisis before the Federal Reserve can reach its inflation goal. On a brighter note, Swift statistics shows that the U.S. dollar is still the most common currency used to pay for things in other countries. Charles Hoskinson, who came up with the idea for Cardano, has a bold belief that his idea will beat Bitcoin and Ethereum and become the best cryptocurrency in the world. Bitcoin, BTC, historical price and market analysis. The current price of Bitcoin is $25,979.16, and it is currently ranked number 1 out of all cryptocurrencies. The amount of supply currently in circulation for Bitcoin is 19,475,043, with a total market capitalization of $504,529,003,365. In the past 24 hours, the price of Bitcoin has increased by 0.51%. Bitcoin has experienced a hard time gaining momentum over the past 7 days, down 0.51%. BTC is showing bearish signs this week. Now could be a good time to invest if you are thinking of buying Bitcoin. Within the last 30 days, the price of BTC dropped by 11.32%. Reducing its previous value of $29,295.40 by $3,316.24. This current downtrend means that Bitcoin is in dip right now. The price of Bitcoin has dropped by 3.49% in the last 3 months, eliminating $939.46 from its previous value of $26,918.62. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction/market forecast. The crypto market is known to be highly volatile. Predicting future price points of Bitcoin is a difficult task, and many other factors influence the price. As a result, the predictions on our website should not be